Hey guys, thank you for watching Travelin' with Jay. This is me Janita and I'm back with another update on the IPO, out of which 2 IPOs will be open for subscription from today and 2 IPOs will be open for subscription from tomorrow. So before starting the video, if you're new to this channel, this is me Janita and I post videos related to finance, travel and education. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications for my future videos. So let's start the video. The first IPO that we are going to discuss about is Cartrade Tech Limited IPO. Incorporated in 2000, Cartrade Tech Limited is a multi-channel auto platform provider company. They operate various brands such as Carwale, Cartrade, then Bikewale, Shriram Auto Mall, Adroit Auto and Autobiz. You might have taken services or might have heard about some of the brands which I have just mentioned. So basically this company connects new and used automobile customers, vehicle dealers, vehicle OEMs and other businesses to buy and sell different types of vehicles. So let us see the objective behind the IPO issue. They have 2 objectives. One is to carry out offer for sale and another is to achieve the benefits of listing the shares on the stock exchange. Let me show you the financial summary of the company for the last 3 years.
This is the financial summary of Cartrade Tech Limited. If you see, as of 31st March 2019, the profit after tax was at 259.17 million, which has increased to 312.94 as of 31st March 2020. And the profit after tax has increased tremendously as of 31st March 2021 to 1010.74 million. And if you see the total assets and total revenue also, it has tremendously increased year on year. So the company's financials looks really strong.
What are the strengths of the company? So Cartrade Tech Limited is a leading platform for automotive sales. It operates various brands such as Carwale, Cartrade, Bikewale, Shriram Auto Mall and Autobiz. Comprehensive range of services like automotive buying, selling, financing, marketing, etc. Profitable and scalable business model. IPO details. It will be open for subscription from 9th August 2021, that is today. Closing date is 11th August 2021. IPO price band is rupees 1,585 rupees to 1,618 rupees per equity share. Market lot size is of 9 shares. It will be listed on both BSE and NSE. Issue size is of 2,998.51 crore and it is completely offer for sale, which means promoters are offering their shares for sale. It will be allotted on 17th August 2021 and it will be listed on stock exchange on 23rd August 2021. To buy one lot, you will require 14,562 rupees and maximum you can have 13 lots. GMP, that is grey market premium, as of yesterday was at 450 rupees. Second IPO that we are going to discuss is Nuvoco Vistas Corporation Limited IPO. Incorporated in 1999, Nuvoco Vistas is a part of Nirma Group and is one of the largest cement company and concrete manufacturers in India. It operates in diversified products such as cement, ready-mix concrete and other building materials. Their cement plants are located in West Bengal, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Jharkhand in East India and also in Rajasthan and Haryana in North India. Objective of the IPO is to repay, prepay and redeem the borrowings of the company fully or partially and to utilize the funds for general corporate purposes. Let me show you the financial track record of the company for the last 3 years.
The profit after tax as of 31st March 2019 was negative at 264.88 million, which is then increased to 2,492.55 million as of 31st March 2020. But again, as of 31st March 2021, the profit after tax has turned negative to 251.19 million. And if you see the total revenue and total asset side, the company's total assets and total revenue has increased year on year.
Strengths of the company. It is the largest cement manufacturers in East India in terms of total capacity. Strategically located cement plants which is close to the key markets. Strong brand recognition and distribution network, and they have an experienced promoters and managers team. IPO details. It will be open for subscription from today, that is 9th August 2021, and closing date is 11th August 2021. IPO price band is at Rs 560 to 570 rupees per equity share. Market lot size is of 26 shares. It will be listed on both BSE and NSE. Issue size is of 5,000 crore rupees, out of which fresh issue is of 1500 crore and offer for sale is of 3,500 crore. Allotment date is 17th August 2021 and it will be listed on stock exchange on 23rd August 2021. To buy one lot, you will require 14,800 rupees and maximum you can have 13 lots. GMP, that is grey market premium, as of yesterday was at 40 rupees. Third IPO that we are going to discuss about is Chemplast Sanmar Limited IPO. Incorporated in 1985, Chemplast Sanmar Limited is a leading specialty chemical manufacturer in India. The company is engaged in manufacturing of specialty paste PVC resin, starting materials and intermediate materials for agrochemical, pharmaceutical agrochemicals and fire chemical sectors. They have 4 manufacturing facilities, among which 3 are located in Tamil Nadu and 1 in Pondicherry. Objectives of the IPO. Early redemption of NCDs issued by the company, which means redemption of non-convertible debentures, and to utilize funds for other general corporate purposes. Now let me show you the financial summary of the company for the last 3 years.
This is the financial summary of Chemplast Sanmar Limited. As of 31st March 2019, their profit after tax was at 1,184.64 million, which is then decreased to 461.25 as of 31st March 2020. As of 31st March 2021, the profit after tax has jumped to 4,102.44 million. And if we see at the total assets and total revenue side also, the company's profit has tremendously increased as of 31st March 2021.
Strengths of the company. Largest manufacturer of specialty chemicals, third largest manufacturer of caustic soda and largest manufacturer of hydrogen peroxide in South India. It is a part of SHL Chemicals, which is a known corporate group in South India. IPO details. It will be open for subscription from tomorrow, that is 10th August 2021, and closing date is 12th August 2021. IPO price band is of Rs 530 to 541 rupees per equity share. Market lot size is of 27 shares. It will be listed on both BSE and NSE. Issue size is of 3,850 crore, out of which fresh issue is of 1,300 crore and offer for sale is for 2,550 crore. Allotment date is 18th August 2021 and it will be listed on stock exchange on 24th August 2021. To buy one lot, you will require 14,607 rupees and maximum you can have 13 lots. Grey market premium, that is GMP, for this particular IPO is at nil. One more thing that I wanted to inform you all about Chemplast Sanmar Limited is that this company was delisted from stock exchange around 2012 due to the economic crisis of 2008. And now this company is listing again in stock exchange through IPO in 2021. Now we are at the last IPO of the day, that is Aptus Value Housing Finance Limited IPO. Incorporated in 2009, Aptus Value Housing Finance Limited is a retail-focused housing finance company that primarily serves low or middle-class self-employed customers in rural and semi-urban markets of India. As per CRISIL report, it is one of the largest housing finance company in South India. Objectives of the IPO: to meet future capital requirement and expenditure and to achieve share listing benefits on stock exchange. Now let me show you the financial summary of the company for the last 3 years.
Financial summary of Aptus Value Housing Finance Limited. So as of 31st March 2019, the profit after tax was at 1114.83 million, which has then increased to 2110.12 million as of 31st March 2020. And as of 31st March 2021, the profit after tax has increased to 2669.44 million. And if you see the company's total assets and total revenue side also, it has increased year on year.
Strengths of the company: one of the largest housing finance company in South India, strong network of 181 branches across 75 districts and Union Territory of Pondicherry, strong market presence and well-established financial track record. Now we are at the last segment of the video, that is IPO details for Aptus Value Housing Finance. It will be open for subscription from tomorrow, that is 10th August 2021, and closing date is 12th August 2021. Price band is of 346 to 353 rupees per equity share. Market lot size is of 42 shares. It will be listed on both BSE and NSE. Issue size is of 2780.05 crore, out of which fresh issue is for 500 crore and offer for sale is for 2280.05 crore. It will be allotted on 18th August 2021 and it will be listed on stock exchange on 24th August 2021. To buy one lot, you will require 14,826 rupees and maximum you can have 13 lots. GMP, that is grey market premium, for these shares as of yesterday was nil. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you like this video and you find this information useful. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Travelin with Jay. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.